Hi Year 1, it's Friday again. Here we are with your maths lesson, week 7, lesson 5. First of all, a little PowerPoint that you need to watch. It starts like this, rather weird. And you need to find it in the Google emergency folder. And it just reminds you all about how we work out those multiplication sums by doing repeated addition. Work your way through it. Okay, go to the Top Marks website and you're doing a daily 10 exercise today. You need to number down to 10 on your whiteboard, and today you need level 2. And we're going to do multiplication today, the 2 times table. You choose how long you want for each question. Now, if the question's 3 times 2 and you don't know the answer, you could always put 3 fingers up and count in twos. 2, 4, 6. 5 times 2, 5 fingers. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and so on. Play a few times, you get quicker and quicker and more confident, and see if you can reduce the time that you're allowed per question. And don't forget to check those answers. Now, when you're checking your answers, look at the answer, but then try and work out the question. How many 2s made 20? Here's the answer. How many 2s made 10? Looking at it visually like this will help you to really remember. Now you and a partner need to write down 3 numbers each. They've got to be between 1 and 13, but they have to be even. Do you remember the even numbers? So you can choose either 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 or 12. You need to write 3 down and your partner needs to write 3 down. Look, I chose 8, 4 and 12. Now you shake a dice and you need to double what you throw. So double 5 or 5 times 2 is 10. Now I haven't got that, but my partner might have it and they would have to cross it out. 6. Well, double 6 or 6 times 2 is 12. And I've got that, so I can cross it out. So it's a bit like bingo. You keep playing until one of you has crossed out all 3 numbers, and they are the winner. Have fun, boys, at doubling or timesing by 2. Now here you can see double 5, or 2 times 5, and it makes 5 and 5 is 10. But the opposite to that, the inverse, if we start with the 10, and then we halve it, 1/2 of 10 is 5. So look, double 5 equals 10, but half of 10 is 5. And remember, we can write half, instead of a word, we can write it as a fraction, like this. And you're counting 1 tower out of 2. Here I've got double 4, or 2 times 4. What's the opposite? What are the missing numbers here? If double 4 is 8, half of what equals what? Well, we start with the 8, and if we halve it, in 1/2 we've got 4. So if double 4 is 8, half of 8 equals 4. What double have we got here? And what does it make all together? Double 3 is 6, isn't it? So what should this be? Half of what makes what? You've got your 6, you halve it, so they're exactly the same. 3 here, 3 here. So in 1/2, half of 6 is 3. Can you see the 6's? Can you see the 3's? Now we've got a very special machine here. It's going to multiply numbers for us by 2, or it's going to double them. So 3 is going to go in, By magic, it will pop out 3 times 2. Have a look. And 6 comes out. If we put 4 in, what do you think will come out the other side? The input is 4. What will the output be? Did you get that? What if we put 7 in? Double 7, or 7 times 2, is what? Did you get that? So think about it going backwards. What's half of 14? If we put it back in, it would be 7, wouldn't it? How about double 9, or 9 times 2? What's the output going to be? Hey, did you get that? So what's half of 18? It must be 9, mustn't it? Can you see how doubling is the opposite of halving? Or multiplying by 2 is the opposite to halving. Now in your pack, have a look at page 35. You have to work out how much money there is in each section. Write the answer down. But then think about it going into the doubling machine. What would come out? I wish I had a machine like this that would double my money. Then have a go at page 36. You've got to think about doubling and halving here. For some extension work today, have a go at this doubles and halves sheet. And have a go at the doubling dice game. Should all be in your pack. And that's it for another week, Year 1. Well done. See you on Monday. Have a nice restful weekend. Bye.